Absolutely. Boosting your metabolism naturally can have a positive impact on your overall health and help maintain a healthy weight. Here's a comprehensive guide to natural metabolism boosters. Stay hydrated. Drinking water is crucial for metabolism. Even mild dehydration can slow down your metabolism. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day. Green tea. Green tea contains antioxidants called catechins, which may help increase metabolism. Aim for 2 to 3 cups a day. High-intensity interval training. Height workouts can elevate your metabolism for hours after exercise. Short bursts of intense activity followed by rest periods are effective. Strength training. Building muscle through strength training increases your resting metabolic rate as muscles burn more calories than fat. Eat protein-rich foods. Protein requires more energy to digest compared to fats or carbohydrates, leading to a temporary boost in metabolism. Include sources like lean meats, legumes, and dairy. Spicy foods. Certain spices, like chili peppers, contain capsaicin, which can temporarily boost metabolism and increase calorie burning. Get enough sleep. Lack of sleep can disrupt your metabolism and increase cravings for high-calorie foods. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Cold exposure. Exposure to cold temperatures can stimulate brown fat activity, which burns calories to generate heat. Consider cold showers or spending time in a colder environment. Manage stress. Chronic stress can lead to hormonal imbalances that may slow down metabolism. Incorporate stress-reducing activities like meditation or yoga into your routine. Eat regular meals. Skipping meals can slow down your metabolism as your body goes into energy conservation mode. Eat regular, balanced meals to keep your metabolism active. Increase fiber intake. Foods high in fiber, like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, require more energy to digest and can boost metabolism. Stay active throughout the day. Incorporate movement into your daily routine. Take the stairs, walk during breaks, or stand while working to avoid long periods of inactivity. Proper nutrition. Ensure you're getting essential nutrients through a well-balanced diet. Nutrient deficiencies can slow down metabolism. Stay caffeinated in moderation. Caffeine can temporarily boost metabolism and enhance physical performance. However, excessive intake can lead to negative side effects. Remember, the key is to adopt a holistic approach that includes a combination of these strategies. Consult with a healthcare professional or a nutritionist before making significant changes to your diet or exercise routine, especially if you have any underlying health conditions.